My name is Mike and I'm the skipper of Seefalke.
Today I want to take you to the Cape Verde Islands and guide you through the approach to Marina Mindelo, the first and so far only marina in Cape Verde. Mindelo provides the great opportunity to break down your transatlantic crossing from the Canaries into the Caribbean or South America and enjoy the Cape Verdean lifestyle. Mindelo is on São Vicente, the second northwesternmost of the Cape Verdean islands. Most likely you will come in from the north. Canal de São Vicente, that divides the island São Vicente and Santo Antão, is deep and clear of dangers. However, the tidal currents are significant and can reach 2.5 knots. Be careful when you sail into Canal de São Vicente, as the northeastern trades easily increase by 1 to 2 before. Stand by to reduce sails. From Canal de São Vicente, you turn south into Porto Grande Bay. The islet of Ilha de Passados can be passed on deep water on either side. Keep well clear of the container terminal and ferry port on the eastern side of the bay. Also beware of the many ships and sailboats at anchor as you approach the marina. There are also some abandoned ships and unmarked wrecks in the bay, so you are well advised to keep good lookout and exercise extreme caution. It is possible, but not advised, to enter the marina in the dark, as buoys and lights are reportedly unreliable. Instead of going into the marina, you can also choose to anchor. There are two anchorages that are free of charge. The outer anchorage, marked blue in the photo, and the inner anchorage, marked yellow. Keep a healthy distance to the ferry pier that gives them space to maneuver. You can park your dinghy at the floating bar for €4 a day. The prevailing wind in Mindelo is coming from the northeast, and the marina is designed completely around this fact. The main pontoon is built in the wind axis, and the pontoon fingers go 90 degrees from there, so that as a result there are leeward berth and windward berth. All windward berth, marked in blue, are equipped with mooring buoys, whereas all leeward berth, marked in red, are equipped with anchored mooring lines, which is a great design and simplifies the mooring maneuver despite the prevailing fresh to strong winds. The marina is exposed to high swells, so I recommend to use springs to soften the movements of the boat. Mindelo is an official port of entry, and the clearing-in procedure couldn't be more relaxed. Moor your boat in the marina and walk along the coastline to the ferry terminal where Immigration and Maritime Police is located. Some minor fees apply. European or US citizens do not need a visa if they stay overnight on their boat. If you stay at hotels or want to leave the country by plane, you need to apply for a visa that will be put in your passport immediately. The visa is €25. If you arrive on a Friday afternoon or weekend, clear in on Monday morning. Get your exit papers a day before your departure. Now you're good to explore this vibrant city and spectacular São Vicente Island.
Sunset slowly dawning, I will see you in the morning, while the world starts slowly sleeping. I just sit here and believe in believing. Sky dresses up